crossing, the same operation is targeting them. We will be seeing us on zebra crossing. We shall be standing there with like how you see us on highways. This time we are going to come in town. We stand on zebra crossings. Whoever doesn't respect the zebra crossing will be arrested and will be issued with a ticket, GPS, express penalty scheme.
Tumwebaza benagamba hono bushuru kwataho omu district ezirukurabwamu omudumu gwa East African Crude Pipeline okushijuma bya butandu omutiganisha yokanisibwa aba Safeway right way.
But what we do, we have what we call snap checks. Snap checks mean what? For example, we can be in an area for like 30 minutes. We can have our operation in an area for 30 minutes. Then we change to another place like that, like that. That is what we call snap checks. So we introduce them in this area.
The Gracious Byakagaba orukutwara ebyobwediso mu rukikube hamwe na Harriet Asimwe orukurambura amashomero mu Ruhoima nagiranga abana b'amashomero batungereza butanda hango tonsya ahabwo bubonero butabaho.
You see this road of ours from Ruhoima here to Bulisa. It is a new road, very new. It had all the funding. It had all the road funding, all from Ruhoima. Apart from the zebra crossing, they are not yet put there. But the signs were there for zebra crossing.
And we also need to have collective responsibility. These days, you see children are going to school, vehicles don't even mind whether people are men. And if he has come at 100, he will go through children at 100 kilometers per hour. They don't respect it.
We see vehicles, big trucks going that side, but the roads are bushy. One cannot see the vehicles coming from the other side. Maybe you just hear the sound. But those roads are taking our children to school. Those roads are taking other people in the community. So you find crashes happening the same way they happen on main roads. So that is a big point to take. It is a big concern.
Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Webede Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto. Reka tumbere ntugaruka nagarukorata.
Move it all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Agarukurataho ekiragiro kya protection of sovereignty bill etongore bitari bya government omurutoro nibyenda chiweho omurfort portal.
Agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho.
Move it all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
When you don't use Momo, you are forced to quarrel.
Mama, Mama, Ompaire kumibiri.
Abantu abakuluma atandise obuyayo mwena.
Obuyayo obuliga.
Iwe.
Ngobi yanko banjo.
Sente dange nizade kolera ngobi nakolera sente dange.
Save yourself from quarreling. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batu mu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ achumuna na wearing ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumba.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekolera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Otwiro inecyetengo cyo kushuma bunasi obuzarisa Aviation Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery nizakwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda omumisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho Tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Aviation Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Murengero izuba inko ekitongore kiri gukora byoma bihangaze ebyo murembe mbaba murembo rwambarara na nebyoma nka water pumps ziri kukozesa amashanyarazi ezamajuta neza soda ezo kudibiko mizi neza hihi bakwinire angle grinders enchene mpango compressors rita 15 okusia rita 500 cutting discs ezebyoma diamond na wood omumbechi reba wall chasers concrete vibrators na za pokers marble cutters spray guns heat guns blowers rotary hammer na drillers ebyamanda n'amashanyarazi abaseveya inkebinire level distance detectors empangazi erimo aba welding tubaretireza inverter welding machines hamwe n'ibindi binji ebyo kose ibyoma akasente kace ahaduka yetu Mbarara High Street ahashungire na Highway Restaurant ijo yerebere.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena muri tukinda abantu binji abashija n'abakazi abojo nabishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 25 okwera cyenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga not mushanju ina itano
Ebyo kwemeka byongera koroba kankwanjulire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi binji kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri Mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakoza technology rispiria echo labyombekyesi changale nkabendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 Mbarara Kabale road esimu noti mushanju 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tugende twombeke
Echiro chisisirachi Rose from Nempaka Shashakaronji Para see Rose spring na Rose farm Ejini biti Dokuro obsas mukashesh Nikuko masaji ngomu chirochuna
Wera renko mwerere Nomfaratsi gw'omutendo kandi nuguhangara omugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho orkwena Rose farm ensi y'ebiroto birungi
Kurukayo mukahumuro ebitongore bitari bya government n'abantu buntu bahire bitekateko ebitarukushana ahakiraziretsia echi government eresron parliament echa protection and sovereignty bill 2026 omurchiko orubadzireho omurembo Fort Portal. Urukiko rubire rugenderire kwanza ebitekateko aha miringo eyekiragire kiri kwisha kuhindura aha mikorere y'ebitongore ebitari bya government kandi no kukira kwate aha muntu owaburijo.
Omurukiko rutebekanisibwa abaturonet bamwe barureta birimu bashabere government kwehawe kiragire eki bagumize ngo akire nikake munonga aha parliament ro kuchitisaho.
Sabo ekiragire ekyo bakyongereyo kigenda parliament yokwongera hakwa abantu balusikaiza wiki okumalira emirimo yabo nokwe abantu bakyetsensule kurungi bahe ebitekerezo byabo mu bwire tano kukiru kya speed kandi kikatarubaniza enjikara ya buli omu wena.
Sente zazitizire zaba zibuzire nabasa kuba ekizibu ky'amaani n'obundi abe nimanya ngu iteke rigenderire kutaho obutekane bw'okwerinda konkana nitekateka ngu rihebwe obwire na munonga rije mu parliament y'abantu abatebekanise kora umurimo batari abantu abaruhire ninga hine bakutekateka norero no baryanzura mu parliament waza kwetegereza abantu abere barimo nimpamya ngo ngo mana garashike umuntu akubana amayango mu weekend mwibiri naza kunanga okutukora iteka so twantu nditeka rungi
abantu hona borekero kwatwaho ngo kiragire cye cya protection of sovereignty bill kibasa kubata hatsika kandi baremo kugumana bahereza ibitekateko byabo ngo kubarukwenda
en bill eibaresere mu parliament eina ebizibe ebitukuroramu ebikujya kuretera abantu okutaba kurungi rundika mu businge ekyo kubanza tugamba ngo kakoba nyowe ndaba nyine mukazi wange kandi ndi aheru nimba mfokere omuntu atari munya Uganda beite cya kabiri ngo ndani njya kusindikira mukazi wange miliyoni 3 kugura amadirisa go kuteka munju aina kubanza kugenda akaregisteringa akatunga approve nuko akabona kukosa sente so betukire cyonka ngono barabastungira akora accountability
katugambe omuntu anyakwino bulema onkorora icyo kuroraho usanga omuzaire anyakwino bulema aino omwana wakajya heru korora ngo kujya kwehandikisa mu minister niki kintu kigumanga ine muno tiba bill muno tindozere ne ba providinga nundi ne batera ho mulingo ngo omuntu anyakwine obulema ha mubiri atakwesobora huwe ayambirwata mu bill muno
ahacho kweto Uganda lya heru yihanga nko munyamahanga na kintu kibateganisa munonga niko kushaba ngucindurwemo. Ezra nuwagaba orukora nko muhezi wa mukuru w'ishongere cya Kida Uganda arabwire ngunamana gahirwe minister w'inshonga zo munda yihanga niminje munonga icyaro kugira ngo kibasa kureta aho burubwenguzi n'ibindi bizubu.
Betorozere nguna minister or responsible line minister or responsible abo processes zino ekiragiro kinu kiriyo nkimuhamani mengi kandi ntunihira ngo nkijya kuretereza one delays obuziraba stabile delays zonka kijya kuretereza ho nobulibwenguzi because owakumanya minister nko kara kujyayo nojya kwesanga ngo uyu muntu wa hansi wakunihira kutunga miliyoni 3 again nkemtwara abiri zikozereki zigenzere mu processes nkezo
omubirege ministry y'enshonga zo munda yihanga niyo ine kurebuzo kuhandika no kucondoza abantu na organizations z'urukwinediza ebigenderero by'amahanga gaheru birege hona necendeza ha muhendo gw'obuhwezi omuringo gwe sente zirukwijo mu ihanga nchete foreign funding obweru kuzibera kutunga funding ye sente ezirengere dore mutoro 20 nizo miliyoni 100 mu sente za Uganda gasha kajona nsingwire
Regional Nsingwire municipality yibanda hiriyo mu ntekateka izo kwakira program ya Usmade erukuza kwinjira town eje yo mutindo zimwe ha project zirukwisha kutandikirwaho no kombeka za park zemotoka na Katare hakasoweto.
Abebembezi ba municipality yibanda bamazira kire barinzire nkora ya Usmade kureba ngo yahindura hambera yo buherezo biro butarukumara kandi bwanyuma yakire barinzire hatabebembezi bino kwesima bwanyuma yo kumanyisibwa ngo bwire wishikire
tabakoro mbatakatunga ikizibu cyo kujya gutubaza kumbeka bakaca gutkorera ya location sites as I talk twatongere ya location site ya tax park hamwe na role park twatongere ya location site y'Ekyorora ninga Soweto market kandi nabwo twatongera reallocation site yo kuteka abantu abakora mu katari.
Project empango ziratandikirwaho no kwombeka tax park y'ebirore bahango hamwe n'akatare k'ebyo kurya ka Soweto akarukumanywa nk'Ekyorora Foods.
Ije myanya twagitongere kugira ngo abantu kwara bino barwo myanya ije yaneza kwombekwa abantu babebe nahi bakora kandi conveniently.
Tax park hamwe na rore park bamwe abashubuzi bahereze kukome byabo kandi amajo gamwe garebwa gacingire ekero kumanyisa ngo bikirize impinduka eje.
Itwe nkabebembezi nanga abavugi b'emotoka tukabanza fitina amako twantumanya ngo business yitu yagwaho konka bwanyuma batuhamiza ngo tuzakora ubwo mwanya ubu tugira umwanya gutwazamo ubwo baturondire nka municipality then baheza kutwombekera paka nungi iyo mutindo then tuzagaruka umwanya gwita
nabasima habwa project age kandi nabagira ngo nije gukora cyangwa kuboneza tawuni yibanda.
Ejo program tujakira kandi tujakire nito tugisemererwemo abo kuba entunguka ke kwizo mu bibuga nitwe ntwenda tutambure n'entunguke ejo kandi nitwe okuba ikiroho batugambera nkatawuni kanso na tawuni clerk tukajakire entunguke ejo turajangire
bamwe ni bagira ngo government tekozire ati note netekwa kukola nibo bwire bwo kugira ki bokola ati obwo buzo bwo kuleba bakabutawo ombwire aliwo tucha bayombeka opaka mubwiro ati basemere kwani bagwiya wo nobwakali
noleta uyite twire neguragura nka twatunga those mega projects chibacho maisa ngwita uyite aba uplifted then ebyakwa birimu ni inconvenience abantu kubiho mwanya kwateka mugundi konka guideline negira ngo abantu abahibarazi kandi nkakaso tutakaga kayikuza kubashoshoza. So this time nije kubera kaso erabene diringa nabakabamo mataka kiriyo tuteka abantu abo
Yetawuni yibanda ne mwata neza yambekirwe zitine plana abo kugira bebembezo batarakufayo beita hamurundog abine byombeke bitarakwikirizwa amahanda bahikirwa
ababiri nubagaba plani n'abantu kugabe bituga nibyo kurebera ngo emyanya emihango inkama zugari yo mu mahanda nahabwe bituga abantu avuga kurya.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.
Babari Timothy Mushabe. Indwara ya koto ogwa hategumizemu hokwera rishiriza abatura kandi abebembezi nibagira ngo abantu babiri bafire ahabwo buruyirobo abantu abari kuzikura ente zeferire baragwirwe kandi abe kwerinda bari abzora misho okukwata abo bona abarashangwe ngo babaga itunge ryeferire home district ya Kitagwenda.
Kurujira harimisha aje ya Kanyamahane uri mujekero wa president mu district ya Kitagwenda endwara ya koteje kabaruka hobwa nyuma yente yabire ino burwire okwiko mucyangeti
okuganira abantu babiri bafire amatungo bari kwika 20 gagenzire Muka turone planning ane tukutebe kanisa ni tutuwanisa kureba kutwakitataniso kutwakikumakuma chikatandiso mu district zituherereye turira ngo inabaresire nyamesho yabiri ente yabiri fire bagire umucanga cye mu district tukitagwenda no cyatandikire
Kurujira abebembezi bazibire kutambura kw'amatungo okuguza amate okubaga kandi barabura abantu abari kuzikura ente zikubazisirwe buruyirobu bakarya inyama yazo
twemereza kubaga muri sub county mu cyatandikire icyakabiri twagira ngo amate batagaguza bakama bagate no ejo myanya y'isabwongi z'eshatu zinagamba zatandikirwe kirweri ikindi twazibiramo abatungo kuja kutambura kuruga mu myanya umwe muri izo subcounties zo muri zatandikire kuzo mu zindi subcounties
ngo abantesha ezi bagenda myanya tari yemwe nemwe batandika kwesereka babarondo obubuzi babubaga kandi reporte y'intungire harona nenterugire kufa abantu bagizikura polisi ebaragire ngo ente bagiziki nka bagizikura abantu batemateme inyama batandika kugirya mwene basebo nabanyaba bakundeba nimbashaba ngo ece kintu bakitware nkacukura umunonga
endwara yo magombora nka Kicece Buhanda Kakasi Ruhunga na Kabujogera Town Council.
Ubwire bwa anthrax buteganisa abanyakitagwenda abwo kuba kumbira ndagamba na district veterinary officer yanyoreka ngo bamazire kusindika samples z'abantu abarayika 20 kubasa kureba bara confirminga uburwirobwe ninyenda kugira nti kikije cyatugwera nkakitagwenda nangwa bukaburi n'ubwire bwa Pasika umumwe hata abantu bacha barenda kurya kanyama kabo nobu batugambire ngo bundi ebyo kurya nyama ebyo kubaga tubireke bamwe bakamisbehavinga batandika kubaga which was not good.
Ubwata abantu barukiki 12 bamazire kwatwa ndwareji babiri bamazire kufa kandi barugwa babiri no bubonero oburukweshaniriza n'endwareji nubahiko mu 20 gacho kwa Anthony Twine.
Eka tumbereho tucinaganda amakuru agacenshire guma ha TV West.
Katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugirena kwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munyweco katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ine chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona ngabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba zesimu 0772 96 90
taha mubuze buryo omwe cyari kunywa atandikanywa ha billion
mukama wanje torkwitenga kubuza abantu bona baremiyari papa flavored vodka
niye kwasireyo papa vodka niye kwasireyo iwe gendo girondero zaho hurire tori kuza kunywa kindi muntu we owagikoze no mugusha gurimo enuzire teine mu nahango batekuteza muto takusinza papa flavored vodka simple sweet.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka ericyashingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu right library ey'omurembe kompyuta z'ekika ky'ahaiguru kandi eby'emizano bakabitekamo amaanikazi kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'obwegyese na ministry of health kandi biine bus rugogoma ey'okutambuza abeegi ebyombeko eby'omurembe hamwe n'omwanya rugogoma gw'okushomeramu ebitabo ogurikureebeka kurungi nirishangwa aha nguudo nyeigendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mu tawuni ya Kaberebere okumanya ebirikukiraho noti mushanju ibiri nkaga na mushanju ashatu n'ibiri nkaga n'emu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Musego abadomu lwa katoli ku ndongozi na
nanywedde kano ka Vera chawuda drink. Kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati katyebule. Mutobo okolola okotyonguka kwata kano.
Muzeekano bakayita batya?
Pineapple soda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi.
Bojo
mutodo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga.
Bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi.
Ye naye nenfuno w'amaanyi. Utammira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Yantode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetebe jibwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarusa na lab technology omweje rukwenda omwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubara n'orujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka ebiri mu field buri mweje nahawe umugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojiya kumwongera umugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensiya nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills nabyo bitakwibiri basaries zikiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukiraho terano tumushanju 8 mukaga nashanju ni 3 nashanju ni 5 ashatu na 4.
Let your child's aviation dream come to reality with Uganda Aviation Academy. Uganda Aviation Academy invites applications for May 2026 intake for the following courses: flight operations and dispatch, airline cabin crew, airport operations, airline customer services, foundation in travel and tourism, cargo introductory courses, aviation security awareness, IATA, GDs, fares and ticketing, aviation management, quality security awareness, safety management, travel and tourism consultant, teaching and instructional techniques. We are certified by IATA and UCAA. Pick application forms from our offices: Kampala, Metropole House, 6th floor, Entebbe Road, or 0393 10 66 62. From our website www.ugandaaviationacademy.com or from this radio station reception.
Kayomukahumuro muringo gumwe ogwo kutungura taranto mbeji obureberezi obwa Western Cole Diocese abukatebekansaho empaka zo kweshongora ningashe music dance and drama ho mashomero ga senior hagari yansi y'edini y'abakristayo.
Empakezi zetabiremo amashomero kurwo muri Kizoba Kabwohe rya Kasinga Bugonji kandi abona beteranire ayishomero rya Makrista Cyogera erukushangwa muri Shema Central Division okore Kentaranta. Oburebezi wa Western Cole Diocese bukombe ku mwanya ho kutendekerwamo abatezi bebivuga kandi ebyona biri al Makrista Cyogera Senior Secondary School. Lyakasinga bazanire ogumwana ekirare Bugonji bazana ogwa Goliath na Daudi. Makrista Cyogera bazana umuzano gwa Solomon obwarukushara omushango gw'abakazi babiri abarwanira omwana. Bwanyuma y'ebyona abintu bashara empakezi barangirire Kabingo Girls erukushangwa mu Kabwohe Shema Municipality nkuniyo esingire n'obubonero benamwenda ari 5 yakuratwa Kizoba Girls etungira obubonero bishakina na mushanju ari 5
first want to appreciate the Bishop of Western Kole Diocese for facilitating this Western Kole Diocese Music Festival, where people from different schools come to participate and actually engage each other's talents.
abo businguzi Mbabazi tutumana gitu konka ni toko ryo tutiremu na ruhanga yatugere Mbabazi
gira munonga nyonka kudraka nabo kone gira henanga ngo musinya wangu kandi hatimenye bembera ba Eastern Zone bona umufutere nawe
abo kubebe byona ni bukuru umureberezi kandi ndibona nabwe nsima nabo bona aba head teachers ezempa kantu sima umureberezi ahabo kwano manya ni ukaricura muntu egesa umutwe omutumana nengaro bwena abana mu composing choral songs emitwe yabo ne kora munonga ekindi skill engaro wari abana ko kutere nanga
amashomero ashatu muri Kibingo Girls, Kizoba Girls hamwe n'amaklista cyoje nugo gatorinwe kubantu gabajekera abareberezi abero abana by'ukwezi kwa kana umwaka 2026 abarasinje omwanya ugo omureberezi nuwe arije kubakwasa HMbo amakuraga gasha kwa Michael atwakire
bari Michael atwakira amashomero ubugar kweteguriraho kumura mutongore ahabwatamu yo kubanza abahango mbyo bwegesen bashaba abazire okutanduko kwetegura ahakuba hati abana nobendo bwire bwabo ombutongore amashomero kurujira ha Ministry of Education basigaza esabite mu kumura.
They can see the place.
Tamu yo kubanza umwaka 2026 okurija Ministry y'ubwegese niyo kendera kibanza by'ukwezi kwa katano umwaka 2026 ombutongore
ni manyangu weekend kwija tera abasigayo twine shopping twine school fees iburyo ko muzire oyetebeka ni sota tureba netawuni ababimba ko romo tawuno omwe yambara ibintu bigeni byongera kuguma
umujyi tugamba okuja Ministry y'ubwegese naza kumara evero 23 umuka yawe
search humure eki kozesa mu gishogo aganire n'umwana wawe akugambire challenges ezari kufesinga ahishomero then niwe otemu input yo kumuhwera umukwekiselinga
bana manimba sakuma mahumire mwazo makaganyu mugeze ho mutuma muronde kure mu mamanya vocational studies mwiza mutima basagamba dadu wanje noreba since this is science economy nanisha abantu ondondera nk'abantu ayiba kubija ecumureki nimemfu ne time za amuntu kubija anyigise kubija
iwo muzire abahango ombyo kushobora bagirango wahezoti kwakira umweji tangiraho okwetegura kuja kumutangisa tamu ya kabiri
uhabuze burukwereza abazire nobo kugira ngo twongere kuteka mama no mukushomesa abana kuba umwana no bwegesa bwanyensya
enshonga yo kwebikira omukiraka naka karukwija nibagirango nikikuru
abatwire basevinga ntubasima abataka bikire gezaho ombero bike
umuto waza kora ibintu by'amani oruwenka ibintu by'amani bikorwa abantu bingi begisire
aha kube cyo rukuva nicyo rukusarura
iwo muzire okongera kwetegura okwakira umweji nkizero mbwira okushanga ngo hati buri kimwe nkiyongera ebeyi
ana kuba rukumura nibaba bine cyumuro cyo kwera buke munonge Sande nkishati zonga mbona muzire nkabire nani nkushaba jeza aho kutandika kusevinga bukire kare
no kupuraninga n'ikintu kikuru munonga okupuraninga nchikuletera ibintu byona byabo
twena twezereke nko bazitu nkaburiju tutandike kuhereza abana ubwenge
Ahabwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon
Mbara City Council hetongwize project ezirimo omwanya ogwabaruire kutegereza mahirwaro erya Ruti Health Center 2 ogherezeho million nkaganina na Nyamtyobora Health Center 2 naho hatuire million nkaganina Health Center 2 ezombi nizishangwa omuri Mbara City a South Division
oyireho abarwire bino kwishyira bahika amarwara rage rya ruti hamwe n'irya nyamitiyobora mbarara site hone yombekire bibina bibera harkatebe primary school muri mbarara site north division kandi aha hakahweraho miliyoni 5 hamwe n'imitwaro 3.9 zimwe ha sente za agency bwo mbeka project zikarwa mu government ya rwagati kandi ezindi nezarundinwe nko mushoro
imbura ngo kukirivirazi ngo kuziri ngo murimo ni mu gukora no bukirwanyi ngo kumuri ni mu gukora konka tushabangu namani mukore ki mwongeremo abo kugira ngo services zikozere ki ziba ekimwe ekikuteganisa abantu nenkora kuba ni mukora the days that you work abantu bashemeye kuba bamanyi eri center operates from when to when.
Jomo Mugaboro meya wa Mbarara City South ashabera abantu kurinda gibukozurwe
ekinemerimo erukuturagira ko mwene iki kintu ne cyanyu twine kizubu omu Uganda buri kintu cyora mu cya government nage abasisa nikimutwarira ko bwire atizere kurabisa nanye naburi kitwarira bwire shana naraba obundi nanye nawo kazakondo ingati niyo mukura nabo ara ne ohereza buru tebura tebako kondo atwoterizere tukfa.
Richard Mudenya Sewaya chairman wakachika karukurebera irwarire ryarti ayerekero kwera aricirabwe imbere y'ibyo kwirinda hirwarire
y'abakozi na munonga umukozi w'ukuzagamo n'aba bantu babiri unanagambereho umukumi uwihangwe ntumwenda nani mbashaba kandi no mukumi wecyo konka challenge yitwine kuza kubona wecyo nekeri challenge abo kubusente ni buke munonga.
We're going to see how we can recruit extra security for the night. The ministry is in the process of recruiting more staff. Definitely it will not be enough, but we shall increase the number of staff here.
Mukuru w'ishomero rya Katebe Primary School asimira abo kubombekere bibina konka yashaba ko bahebwa uburaro bw'abashomesa hamwe no kumaririza icyombeko cyabona ninga shori y'ishomero.
Areba haruguru eje kabire ruhoro yitwe cyo kizimbe kitahwire twantushabango kumwa kutukora completion y'ekizimbe ekyo kikatukora je nk'ishomero tutunga horo azemermo agenda jo misho
mute hamani mushomeje mutunge guredi nunji nimwe bakama banyenchakanye batawonekera kashaba tubakuza kurgaho bameya kacebe zishintwe ndaho marahebero binga kashi hati nimwe bakama mwere ko kushomaje wata hamani niwe rabo ryo mukama.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Edison Kinene
webare Edson Kinene omukushonjera omuranga gwa mukuru w'ihanga omukuru wa Nsopchene abantu baraburwaho kwejombera mirimo y'emikono ahawentasya ya juba ebitwa bishanga mukushejuma byoma bya Kaliro Technical Institute ebe government yatire musente ziri kweshombo mu billion 3.
Abebembezi ba district ejo bayereko kwatwaho aba government kuta sente nyingi omu mashomero gebyo mukono konka abantu bakabura kugafaho ombwire bwo kwatanisa omukubutura omutindo gw'amakorero.
Mwenu muri hano yandu mushoma emyaka ebiri kuza kumaraha etafabusha nimanya mwenu mu rugo districts zitari zimwe na zimwe zitafachi zitafabusha waikaha orukushomera amashanyarazi nywano umuntu orukukorera mizi then munwane n'umuntu okuza kushakara enzu akakishakara
oku niyo twashanga emyoga erimo kwombeka okubija okuhesha okubazira by'amashanyarazi n'amizi n'ebindi byingi.
I want to tell you, whoever is here, whoever joined this institution, you made the right choice.
Kola amasanyalaze kola course bagita NCES National Certificate in Electrical Installation and Maintenance. So courses etukola za engineering naye siza abasajja bokka n'abakazi basobola okikola courses ennungi kubanga munsi muno emirimu egisinga fenna kati tusobola ogikola si mukazi si musajja.
Nkubiriza bawala bannange n'abakyala abali eyo kino gino emirimu si gy'abasajja bokka bokka, buli omu agisobola ate givaamu ssente nnyingi esobola okukugasa n'amakaago.
Bitabaho kwetombwitura abakuru omu kushoma nkora sente za gavumenti haza bakakora ebishobobo ngu bo tubiine mutuma gwiyanga.
Do not steal materials. Have you not seen people stealing? Even during construction of roads, people steal materials. A road which was meant to last 20 years, 2 years potholes, is not constructed by local people like me, but technicians, engineers.
Babakazi abari kuteekateeka ngu emirimo y'emikono neekorwa abashaija ngu biine kurabuka bukiri kare. Amakuru aga gashakwa Sande William.
Ntugaruka n'amakuru ag'ebyemizano.
The stakes are high. They don't come much more fiercely contested than this.
One of the fiercest rivalries.
Huge clash. He's having the time of his life. Can you feel it? The shaking.
When you don't use Momo, you get unwanted surprises. Save yourself from unwanted surprises. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and malty flavor. So rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
And all their modern ambition pace. There is no margin for error. So much here is familiar.
Over 1900 games brought us here.
There is not a sporting heat quite like this.
But history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
You bought it. It's not a word. You bought it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all.
That is outstanding from Patrick Dorgan.
Stay connected and watch DSTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
Omakuru ag'ebyemizano etaano niyo yazana omwebazi ogwo mu mpaka za Uganda Premier League out team ya Vipers yagumizamu kwekuumira aha mutwe gw'empaka ezibwanyuma y'okuteera Buhimba United na goali ibiraro busha omuzano gwazandwa Butema. KCCA FC yasinga Entebbe na goali emu ari busha kandi UPDF yahonda Bull na goali 5-2 Canberra City na Maroons zagwa kikazi na goali ibira zindi.
Overlooking for the opening goal. It's a flick from Mukundane. Vipers with the opening moment. And they have at the opening goal. And the Venoms draw first blood at the Royals Park in Butema. They've been really trying as much as possible to get and look for this opportunity, or they have it. Goalkeeper from making a few saves while denying Isaac Gwang on a few opportunities. And now is Sina helpless from that long throw that came in here from the left wing. Out something. Watambala Karim, and that's well struck into at the bottom corner. Visitors double their lead through their top scorer in the Star Times Uganda Premier League, Watambala Karim, their best player. And now adding on to his tally to make it 10 out of the 24 games played in the Uganda Premier League.
Muganda makuru g'ebyemizannyo ttiimu y'ihanga ey'abasigazi eya Uganda Cubs yayonjera amaanyi omukutendekwa kwayo okweteekateekera empaka za Africa eziri kutandika okwezi okurukwija omu ihanga erya Morocco. Okutendekwa kwa ttiimu egi kuriyo nikugenda omu mishaha kishaayi ekya Mandela.
When they transit,
Amanya agange niwe mukisa owe wa national team under 17. Amukisa munene nsobodde okukomawo mu kampu nga nva mu tournament eyali Zimbabwe African Schools Championship. Basobola okutuuka ku final naye unfortunately Senegal yasobola okudefeatinga, naye nga nze captain avaayo nga nkiivinza award nga top scorer. Tutudde eno mu kampu abalenzi bali mu mbeera nnungi, batraininga bulungi, training intensity eri high, coach balikola final touches zaabwe, naffe as the players tuteekamu effort yaffe. Target yaffe nga tugenda mu mpaka zino yakufuluma kibinja so that tugenda mu World Cup. Tumala tugenda mu World Cup, awo tujja tutunuulira ekikopo.
Mwebereho kuba barebi barungi abamakuru agacenshira nagakusyo na Mbabazi Charity na Sande Brian nuko turukwenda kuhendera izoberi ahandi ntonda kwendeza kurara kurungi hagana gategereze nyinshi kare shayibirizo Mwebazi Otarga TV West.
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na. When you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.